In this video, I'll show you how to clear the cache on your Mac step by step. Cache files are temporary files stored by your Mac and your apps. They can help things load faster, but over time they may take up space or sometimes cause performance issues, so clearing them can help keep your Mac running smoothly. To get started, open Finder from the dock. Once Finder is open, go to the menu bar at the top of your screen and click on Go. Now press and hold the Option key on your keyboard. While holding it, you'll see a hidden folder called Library appear in the menu. Click on Library to open it. Inside the Library folder, scroll down until you find the folder named Caches. Open that folder. Here you'll see different cache files and folders created by apps on your Mac. Click anywhere inside the folder, then press Command+A to select everything. After that, right-click or tap with 2 fingers on your trackpad, then choose Move to Bin. If your Mac says some files can't be deleted because they're in use, you can simply skip those files and continue. Once the files are moved to the bin, go to the bin in your dock, right-click on it, and choose Empty Bin. And that's it. You've now cleared the cache files on your Mac. If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.